My name's Garves, and we're here at the Hudson Martial Arts Academy. The main goal of our academy is through the martial arts, we focus on character development for children and family time for parents who are involved in class. It's been a great experience working with Greatmats. Yeah, we did previously buy the puzzle mats through Greatmats as well in a different location, and those were very good. What I like about having the carpet bonded mats here is that we've got a lot of windows, and a lot of the windows face the north. So I wanted something that was going to be warmer to be on in the winter months. What we look for is a good value and ease of cleanup, something that's easy to work with and move around. We do Kyuki, which is a blend of kicking and punching. We do grappling and throwing, so people are learning how to fall. We also work with weapons, so there's an occasional drop on the floor, and we want something that's durable and is not going to puncture very easily. They have been fantastic. They hold up really well. As a matter of fact, in another location, our new Richmond location, we have had carpet bonded mats there since 2006, and they're holding up fantastically.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today.